When you build an application on Streamlit, you quickly need a way to group components together and reuse them as their own widgets. Omnata's native application has about 17,000 lines of Streamlit code and about 75 files. And here's the approach we took to solve this problem. As a simple example, we've got these 3 select boxes, which progressively ask the user to select a database, and then a schema, and then a table. It works well in isolation, but we want to reuse it. We want to make them choose a second table. So here's how you'd normally do that. I'm going to turn it into a class now called Table Chooser. Okay, this continues to work fine as a class, but now let's add another instance of that class. Okay, so what we immediately get is this common problem where the key names now clash because everything in Streamlit shares a single global namespace. So I'll convert it to use this base class, which is going to take care of these issues for us. Okay, so now what we can see is as we select the tables, they both know how to stick to their own lane. So in the session state, they are automatically avoiding each other. So just a few more things to tidy up. So we've separated the state management in the constructor from the presentation logic that we put in the render function. You can now pre-populate initial values. The other thing is the select boxes now get neatly folded up when the selection is finished. And I added a preceding choice which hides the whole thing. And we see that the state values were automatically preserved, which by default doesn't happen. Streamlit deletes them, so we take care of preventing that. Thanks for watching the demo. Do try out our native integration app on the marketplace. Thanks.